Okay, so I have created this study set using Quizlet first to help students study about some of the general lab safety rules, which they will later be tested on in the assessment and required to get an 80% passing grade. And in this study set, I have explained some of the I've included some of the dress codes and then some of the like the basic rules, which like for example they should always wear gloves and stuff. And moreover, I've also explained like some of the instructions they should be or steps they should be taking in case of like an accident. And I also have I've also inserted pictures to enhance your understanding. Right here, like for example, I've been explaining about the dress code, I just inserted this picture of a t-shirt right here to kind of demonstrate what are the expectation they for them. And Quizlet also allows them to study the materials like using like and make the study materials into a flashcard. They could just flip over and then to just like read the things on both sides. They could also there's like also a learning feature they could use, and there's also like a test program which they could create their own practice test. Here you could have like a short answer question. You could also have a true or false, and there I believe there's also like a multiple choice which you could just edit in the right here the options. And they could even print it the test so they could write it on it. So yeah, I think this is the Quizlet. It's an awesome program for students to study whatever things they should focus to study.